Our first important concept, as we mentioned before in previous lesson, are principle of animation rules from Walt Disney Studio. In this lesson, we will take a review to the story of these rules, who made these rules and in which year. We have to know all of them because it's important for our information. Okay, the principle of animation 12 rules are introduced by Walt Disney animators in 1981 by Frank Thomas and Ollie Johnston in the Illusion of Life book. Illusion of Life book is one of the book that have written by these two animators from Walt Disney, and the books contains a lot of rules, but these 12 rules are very famous among animators and among motion graphic artists. Because of that, I enrolled that rules in the course pipeline. And the book and some of its principles have been adopted by some traditional studios. It means that most of the animation studios are use these rules in their production pipeline. These are very important. Please pay attention to these rules while creating your motion graphic scene. And in the next lesson, we'll go through these rules and see what are these rules. I have prepared for you an example video that I have downloaded from YouTube. There is an entertainment channel that created this video. The video is very good, very easy to understand, and it shows a lot of things for better understanding of you guys.